cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot. Target time frame, about a month between TPs. Entry levels, 1.413 to 1.861. Take profit targets. Target 1, 2.561. Target 2, 2.933. Target 3, 3.383. Target 4, 4.032. Target 5, 4.662. Stop level, 0.856. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Important recommendation. After reaching each take-profit target, move your stop-loss to your entry price or the last take-profit price. This will help you protect your profits and limit your losses in case the market trend changes. Be sure to enter after a pullback. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. We wish you successful trading.